ones, the kings and queens, oh yeah, we rule the world. We've taken different paths and traveled different roads. I know we'll always end up on the same one when we're old. And when you're in the trenches and you're under fire, I will cover you. No, we don't share the same blood, you're my brother, and I love you, that's the truth.
I love you too.
We're living different lives, heaven only knows if we'll make it back with all our fingers and our toes. 5 years, 20 years, come back, we'll always be the same. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me. And if you were drowned at sea, I'd give you my lungs so you could breathe. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother. I've got you, brother.
Don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise.